These you can buy on Amazon for
It's only for today, it's only for today. Tell the guards to open up the gate, the gate.
This is for the bed liner. This is a two-part urethane. It uses a hardener. You put that in there, mix it 4-to-1. A little cheaper. It's a lot of work though. And a lot of materials and equipment, so if you don't have it, I would just pay someone else to do it, unless you know how to do it already.
But Daddy used to have an auto body shop, guys.
It's not hard to do. It's just the bed liner itself is, the materials are very expensive. It's just for the paint, it's like 150 bucks.
But if you pay someone, how much is it gonna be?
For this truck, it was $450.
But without materials or with materials?
With materials, yeah. But they buy it in bulk, so cheaper price.
So you have to buy the lid, honey, for that?
That was from my paint mixing system, so yeah, this is a special lid for auto body shops. I used Harbor Freight's this cheaper bed liner for the side panels. I got it for $40 a gallon, whereas the Raptor is $130 a gallon. So I'm going to use the catalyzed, more expensive on the bed itself, because that's where, you know, it needs to be strong for dragging stuff across it. On the sides, not so much. So the directions tell us to take the hardener and fill it up to the fill line. And then we add the hardener to the cup itself. So that's one, there's actually 3 more. And then you need to take this, agitate it, mix it up. You probably want to do this for 30 seconds, a minute probably for the best. Okay, and in my case, my sprayer, I bought it separately, and as you can see, it's shorter, so the feed tube is not going to go to the bottom of this. It doesn't even go to the bottom of this one, but in my case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy out, and I'm actually going to put the material in here. These you can buy on Amazon for, I think it was less than 10 bucks. The sprayer. So the problem with the sprayer though is you need to get this, I got this from Home Depot. You're gonna have a heck of a time finding a container that'll fit this opening size. So I got this at Home Depot, wide mouth sprayer, HDX brand, and it was a couple bucks. And this will save your life, because otherwise you won't find anything to fit this. This one won't fit it. You can see it's smaller. So anyway, if you buy this, it's cheap, but I think that's the reason why. Here's the finished product. Turned out pretty good. Again, what I did is I used 1 gallon on the sides and the back of Harbor Freight bed liner, which was $40 a gallon, and then I used the Raptor on the bed itself, which was about $140 for 1 gallon. It uses a 2-part system urethane hardener, so it's a lot more durable. And I saved myself some money, and I'm pretty sure the Harbor Freight stuff will hold up just fine. It's not going to get as much abuse on the sides. Anyway, hope you like what you've seen. Hope it was helpful. Please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks again.